Morning children, welcome to class 4 EVS. Children, we were doing chapter 9 Air We Breathe. Children, we have already completed the chapter. We have done keywords also and things to remember. Today we are going to do book exercise page number 57. Children, before that we will revise things to remember which we did in our previous video. So children, let us start the chapter. So children, let us start things to remember. Children, these are the points which we have studied in the chapter and we should remember. So let us recapitulate whatever we have studied in the chapter. Children, first point is air we breathe is present everywhere. So children, air is all around us, even in the room where you are sitting, but cannot be seen, felt, tasted or smelled. Children, air is everywhere but we cannot see it. Why we cannot see it, children? Because it is colorless. So children, the air which is present everywhere but can't be seen, but it can be felt. Children, just now I told you it cannot be felt also. Children, if there is no movement in the air, we cannot feel it. We can only feel the air when there is movement in the air or when the air moves. So our second point is we can feel air. So children, we can feel the air only when there is movement in the air. Children, moving air is called wind. Now, third point is air has weight. Children, as we have studied in the chapter, there are three characteristics of air. One of them is air has weight. As we have done some activities also in the chapters in which we have filled the balloon or we have filled the tube and then weighed it. When we weighed, firstly we weighed the unfilled or flat tube or the balloon, then we filled the air in it and then weighed it. There was difference in the weight. That means previously when it was flat, it had very less weight, whereas when the tube or the balloon was filled, it had more weight than the previous one. That means air has weight. After blowing air into the balloon or into the tube, it had more weight. Means the weight was of the air which was filled into the tube or the balloon or which was blown into the balloon or the tube. So after filling the air, the weight becomes more. That means air has weight. Now third one is children, fourth one is air exerts pressure. So children, in the chapter we have studied air exerts pressure on every object which comes in the way. So children, as we studied that when the atmosphere is pulled by the gravity pulls atmosphere towards the center of the earth. When the atmosphere is pulled towards the center of the earth, it creates a kind of force. This force is called pressure. So children, the air present into the atmosphere, it creates a kind of pressure on everything, all the object which comes between the earth and the atmosphere. So it creates a pressure on all the object. That is why whatever comes in between the surface of earth or the atmosphere, it is attracted downwards or it is pulled downwards. So here we can say that air exerts pressure. As the atmosphere is made up of air, the weight of the air falls on all the object which lies in between the atmosphere and the surface of earth. So the weight of all air creates a pressure on all the object which is on the earth surface. That is why everything between the earth surface and the atmosphere is pulled towards the down. It doesn't go upward, but it goes downwards towards the earth. That is why fruits on the leaves, fruits on the trees fall on the ground, and even whatever goes up comes back to the ground or the earth's surface. So this is here we can say that the air exerts pressure. So as the air exerts pressure, all its weight falls on the object which lies on the earth. So here we can say air exerts pressure. Now fourth point is layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Children, there is a layer of air all around the earth. This layer is called atmosphere, and this layer is made up of air. So atmosphere is the mixture of gases which is surrounding all around the earth. So it is a kind of layer that surrounds the earth called atmosphere. So children, the layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Air is mixture of many gases. As I told you, air is a mixture of many gases. It contains, other than these gases, it also contains water vapor, dust and smoke. Now children, as we have studied in the chapter, air is a mixture of many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, helium, krypton. Other than these gases, it also contains water vapor, dust and smoke. Now next one is air helps in breathing and burning. Children, we very well know that without air we cannot live. So it is the air which we breathe in and we survive on the earth. Not only we, but all the living things such as plants, animals and human beings need air to breathe. That is the reason why we survive on the earth. And even children, air is also required for burning. Without air we cannot burn fire on the earth. Now air also helps in so many activities such as flying the kite, moving sailboat, sailing the yacht, and even rotating the windmill. Then for driving it is very more easier to drive a cycle when there is air. So children, many activities which we do is done only with the help of air. Now next one is children, pollution. So children, poisonous gases from factories, exhaust from vehicles, etc. cause air pollution. So children, air pollution occurs when gases, smokes, dust or bad odor get mixed into the air and makes it dirty. So children, air pollution occurs when gases, smokes, dust or bad odor. Bad odor means children, the smell gets mixed into the air and makes it dirty. Children, as we have studied earlier, air has no smell and we cannot see it. Children, if air is dirty, we can smell it, and if the air becomes dirty, we can see it. So children, unless the air is dirty, we neither can we see it nor can we smell it. Now children, air pollution causes headache, dizziness, nasal irritation, lung diseases, etc. So children, because of this dirty air, when we are exposed to this kind of air, when we breathe in this kind of air, means dirty air, for longer time we may get headache, dizziness, nasal irritation and lung diseases. So children, that is why we need to reduce the air pollution. Children, we cannot just stop air pollution, but we can at least reduce air pollution by taking several steps. So children, as we have studied earlier, we can reduce air pollution by following several steps. What are these steps, children? These steps are by planting more and more trees. As we know, trees help in keeping the air fresh as well as cleaning the air. It is the tree which helps in cleaning the air. How it cleans the air? By taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. So children, oxygen is the part of air which helps in keeping the air fresh. So children, plant more and more trees and stop deforestation. As I have told earlier, stop cutting down the trees in the forest and plant more and more trees, because trees are very important to clean the air. Now, next point is, children, by using unleaded petrol and CNG gases also we can reduce pollution. Children, as we know, CNG is a eco-friendly gas which do not produce any kind of smoke or fumes. That is why if you use these kinds of gases, we can reduce air pollution. These are the eco-friendly gas which cause no harm to the nature. That means that is why it is called eco-friendly gas. Now, children, as we have studied earlier also, we should not burn leaves, polythenes or any kind of garbage coming out of our house. So children, these leaves, garbage or the plastic should not be burnt. That also produces poisonous gases which may pollute the air. So children, keep your surrounding clean. How can you keep your surrounding clean? By cleaning it regularly and by keeping the dustbins covered. So children, the place where you throw the garbage should be covered properly. Means the bins in which we throw the garbage should be covered properly. By following these steps, children, we can at least reduce the air pollution. Now children, let us start today's topic, air pollution. We have done. Now we'll start our next topic, that is book exercise. Children, here we can see on page number 57, book exercises. Children, question number A is tick the correct answer. In this question, we will tick in the box in front of the correct answer. So children, here we have first question, which one of this is not a characteristic of air? So children, our first question is, which one of this is not a characteristic of air? So children, here we have 4 options. First one is air occupies space. So children, first one is air occupies space. Second one is air has weight. Option B is air has weight. And option C is air exerts pressure. And D is air does not support burning. Children, as we have studied in the chapter, that air has 3 characteristics. First one is air occupies space, air has weight and air exerts pressure. So children, first 3 options are the characteristics of air, but here in the question it is asked which one of this is not a characteristic of air. That means option D, air does not support burning, is the correct answer. So children, you will tick in front of option D, that is air does not support burning. So the question is which one of this is not a characteristic of air. Option D, air does not support burning, is not the characteristic of air. So you will tick in the box in front of option D. Now children, question number 2 is dash emit poisonous gases in smoke. So children, we have 4 options here. Option A is cycle. As we know, cycle does not produce any kind of pollution or poisonous gases. Option B is factories. So children, as we have studied in the chapter that factories produces poisonous gases in the form of smoke, so you will tick in option B, that is factories. Children, and here you will write factories, FACTORIES, factories. So children, factories are the one which emit poisonous gases in the smoke. Now third one children, air does not carry this. Children, here we have 4 options. Option A is sound, option B is heat and warmth, option C is fragrance, and option D is letter. So children, as we know, air does not carry this. So what does the air does not carry? As we have studied in the chapter, air carries sound. Since the air carries sound, that is why we are able to hear each other. That is why we are able to hear the sound. Children, that means कि air carries sound. So first one is not the correct answer. Now second one, B, heat and warmth. Similarly, air carries heat and warmth from the sun. As we know, we can feel the heat and warmth of sun only because sun is the one, our air is the one which carries the heat and warmth of the sun. So it carries heat and warmth of the sun. That is why we are able to feel the heat and warmth of the sun. So second one also is not the correct answer. C, fragrance. Children, we can get the fragrance of the flower only because it is carried by the air. So air carries the fragrance. That means this one is also not the right answer. But children, last one, D. Here in the question it is asked, air does not carry, means air does not carry. This means the right answer is option D, that is letter. Who carries the letter? Who carries letter, children? Letters are carried by whom? Yes, letters are carried by the postman, not by the air. So air does not carry. This means the answer is letters. Now fourth one, children. Air contains dash. Children, as we have studied, air is a mixture of colorless gases. So it contains many colorless gases. But here children, few gases are given. We have to find out whether these are present or whether these are the composition of air or not. So first air is neon, B, helium, C, oxygen, and D, all of these. So children, as we know, air contains neon, helium, oxygen. All the 3 gases are the constituent of air. That is why you will tick in the option D, that is all of these, as all the 3 answers are option A, B and C are right. So we will tick in option D, that is all of these. So children, we will tick in the option that is all of these. Now, question number 5. Air is required for dash. Children, respiration. Option A, we have respiration. Respiration is the process of breathing in human beings, animals and plant. This is the process by which human being breathe in and out. So children, air is required for respiration is right. So air is required for respiration, first option is right. Now second option, air is required for burning. Second option is also right. As we know, air is very important for the burning. Without air we cannot burn a fire. So children, second option is also right, and option C is photosynthesis. Children, as we know, photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food in presence of carbon dioxide, water and mineral, chlorophyll, sunlight. So children, in this process also carbon dioxide is the air. That means ki air is required for photosynthesis also. So children, in this case also all the three answers are option A, B and C are right. That is why we will tick in option D, that is all of these. So children, air is required for respiration, burning, photosynthesis. All the three answers are right. That is why we will tick in option D, that is all of these. Now children, we have done first question number A, that is tick the correct option. We will once again revise question number A. Which of this is not a characteristic of air? So children, first one is which one of this is not the characteristic of air? Air occupies space, air has weight, air exerts pressure. All the three A, B and C options are the characteristics of air, but in the question it is asked that air, which one of these is not the characteristic of air? So D, air does not support burning, is not the characteristic of air. So you will tick in option D, that is air does not support burning. Now question number 2 is dash emit poisonous gases in smoke. So children, it is the factories which emit poisonous gases in the smoke. So first option, cycle doesn't use any fuel, so it doesn't release or emit any kind of gases. Rickshaw also doesn't release, and ship also we don't know much, but factories we know. That is why we have studied also in the chapter that factories produce poisonous gases in the smoke. So children, you will tick on the option B, that is factories. So here you will write F-A, you will write here F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Now question number 3 children. Let us do question number 3. Air does not carry letters. As we studied, air carries sound, air carries heat and warmth, air carries fragrance. That is why we are able to hear the sound on earth. That is why we are able to feel the warmth and heat of the sun. That is why we are able to smell the flower, fragrance of flower, but it does not carry letter. As we know, letter is carried by the postman. So we will tick what does the air do not carry? It does not carry the letter. So you will tick in the box letter. Children, fourth one is air contains neon, helium, oxygen, all of these. As we know, air is a mixture of different colorless gases. So neon, helium and oxygen are also part of the air or the constituent of air. That is why all the three answers are right. We will put tick in option D, that is all of these. Now fifth one, air is required for dash. Children, respiration, as I told you, it is the process of breathing in plants, animal and human beings. So it requires air. The whole process depends upon the air only. There is respiration is not possible without air. That is why first option A, respiration, is right. Second option B, burning, is also right. As we know, burning cannot occur without air. It occurs only in the presence of air. So second option is also right. Third option C, photosynthesis. Children, photosynthesis is the process in which plant prepares its food. It is also not possible without the presence of air. So children, all the three options are right. That is why we will tick in option D, that is all of these. That means respiration, burning, photosynthesis, all the three processes needs air to occur, or air is required for respiration, burning and photosynthesis. Now children, coming to the next question. So children, second question is B, fill in the blanks. Here we have question number B, that is fill in the blanks. So children, here we have question number B, this is fill in the blanks. Now first one is the layer of air surround the earth is known as. Children, can you answer? The layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. As we have studied in the chapter, there is a layer of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. So there is a layer of air called atmosphere. Children, the component of air used by green plants to make their food is. So children, what is the component of air? Means all the gases which constitute the air is used by green plants. So children, not all the gases, but there is one of the gas which is used by the green plants to make their food is carbon dioxide. So children, carbon dioxide is one of the component of air which is used by the green plants. As we know, green plants prepare their own food or make their own food. So in the process they use carbon dioxide. That is why the answer is carbon dioxide. That means the component of air used by green plants to make their food is carbon dioxide. CAR. Here we don't have much space, so you will write here CARBONDIOXIDE, oxide, carbon dioxide. Air is dash of many gases. So children, as we have studied, air is a mixture of many gases. It is made up of many gases, so we call it as mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases. Children, dash can occur. Fourth one, dash can occur only in the presence of oxygen. Children, burning as well as. So children, dash can occur only in the presence of oxygen. So children, here we can say breathing as well as burning can occur only in the presence of oxygen. Children, if you write breathing, that is also right, and if you write burning, that is also right. So here you will write burning burning, burning, can occur only in the presence of oxygen. So children, without oxygen we cannot burn fire. So children, fifth one is plays an important role in the water cycle. As we know children, air plays an important role in the water cycle. Without air we cannot have water cycle. This is the air which helps in the occurrence of water cycle. So children, here we will write air. Air is the one which helps in the occurrence of water cycle, means air plays an important role in the water cycle. As we know, there is the change of one form of water to another, and this is the air which helps in movement of vapors in the to form cloud. So air plays an important role in the occurrence of water cycle. So children, once again will revise everything. The layer of air around the earth is called a layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. So you will write here atmosphere. So children, the layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. So you will write here atmosphere. E-R-E. Now, the component of air used by green plants to make their food is, children, as we have studied in the process of photosynthesis. This is the process of the process in which plants prepare their food is called photosynthesis. As we have studied in the process of photosynthesis, plant uses carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. So children, the carbon dioxide is one of the component of air. So the component of air used by green plants. So carbon dioxide is used by the green plants. So it is the component of air used by the green plants to make their food is carbon dioxide. So as there is not space much, we will write it here. Carbon dioxide, D-I-O-X-I-D-E, carbon dioxide. Now third one is air is dash of many gases. So children, air is mixture. When many gases are mixed together, they are known as mixture. Air is a mixture of many gases. Fourth one, children, dash can occur only in the presence of oxygen. So children, as I told you, burning and breathing can occur only in the presence of oxygen. So children, you can either write burning or you can write breathing. B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning can occur only in the presence of oxygen. Dash plays an important role in the water cycle. Children, air plays an important role in water cycle. So children, only this much for today. Thank you.